Hi guys, SRY for not posting, but I have been trying to get mains on Dandy's World, and I got 3. I'm happy that I have 3. But anyways, let's get into it. I'ma be playing solo BC, why not? Wait, I forgot to change my trick, it's BC, someone told me to change them. Let's just run BC, he gonna see me anyway. I got full mastery on Shelly BTW, I will show you. Okay guys, it started raining and it logged me out of the game, so I am sorry if it was a short video. It's 4 in the morning and I'm tired, so the video will be short. And sorry guys. This is where I got logged out. Bye, y'all.